In this situation, many questions comes in our mind. Is there land below the ocean? Is there animals and plants are there? Then answer is there, yes. Under the ocean, the land is there. That submerged land, we can observe those having on the Earth's surface. Continents and oceans are a part of the lithosphere and hydrosphere respectively. Hydrosphere, it means water. Lithosphere, it means earth. Continents and oceans, they are lies on the plates. During the low tides, the level of the ocean water goes down and the land below the water near the coast is exposed. It means what? We can say that the land below the ocean is also there. Shipwreck when they strike against the rock in the ocean. It means what? We can say that the water has the same level, the land submerged is not even. The conclusion is there that the whatever the landforms we can found on the continent, same way under the ocean the landform also there. We know that the proportion of water and the land is uneven on the earth. 71% water is covered by the earth and rest of the 29% land is covered by the continent. We can classify various landforms on the earth. They are the basis on the altitude. They are made by the nature. For example, mountain, desert, valley, plain, plateau and coast. Similarly, the classification can be done for landforms submerged water under the water. Let's start what they are. First one, the relief of ocean floor. The land submerged below oceanic water is called the ocean floor. See, in this image you can observe that the ocean floor is there. This is the water, the level of water, the land. We can say that this is the land submerged below the oceanic water, and that land it is called ocean floor. The relief of ocean floor is decided upon by the depth from the sea floor and the shape of the land here. The average depth of the oceans is around 3,700 meters. The ocean bed is also uneven like the land on the continents. The ocean floor relief consists of all submerged landforms. The structure of ocean floor differs from ocean to ocean. We will look at the sequence of the landforms and the details of major landforms on the ocean floor. As we go away from the coast, the structure of ocean floor changes. We can see in this diagram, see this, we can see the various kind of landforms under the ocean. For example, continental shelf, oceanic trench, continental slope, continental rise, oceanic ridge, and the Azabal plains. Now let's start. What is meant by continental shelf? You can see in this image, this is the area. This area, it is called the continental shelf. It is very near to the coastline. Once again, you can see from the sea level, the depth of the continental shelf is nearly 200 meters. See, this area, it is called the continental shelf. Now let's see what are the characteristics of the continental shelf. First one, it is a very shallow part of the oceanic bed. Shallowest part, it means it is not so much deep. That's why it is called submerged coastline. When we goes into the continental shelf, we can observe that it's having a very gentle slope. Once again, we can say that it is not uniform everywhere. According to the every coastline, the continental shelf's depth is change. Sometimes we can see it is a very narrow along the coast of some continents. Sometimes it we can observe it is a very broad for hundreds of kilometers at the others. The depth is up to 200 meters below the sea level. Now, continental shelf it is a very important from the point of view of humans. It means it is a very important kind of landforms according to the human beings. Why it is called very important? Because it is playing a vital role into the economy any kind of country. Let's see how it is important. First of all, it is a very important according to the fishing activity. We can find here extensive fishing grounds here. As this part is a very shallow, that's why the sunlight can reach in this area. When the sunlight will be reached, automatically the plants like algae, plankton, this kind of small plants will be grow here. And this kind of plants is a very good food of the small fishes. Small fish will gather here. Automatically behind it a bigger one fishes also attract there. And this is the very ideal place for the hunting or fishing. Once again, it is a very ideal place for mining, especially natural gas. You can see this is the natural gas as well as mineral oil. We can obtain through the mining in the continental shelf natural gas as well as the mineral oil. For example, near to India, in Arabian Sea, Mumbai High, it is a very ideal place to finding or obtaining natural gas as well as the mineral oils. Okay, students, I think so you understand the landforms. Within it, we seen that the proportion of the land as well as the water, and we see the importance of continental shelf according to the human beings. Now students, do understand concept at home, revise it once again. Thank you.